puff trip him, ching him.
Yo, him a go hard, man. Him got one different gear.
I told you, bro, it's sick.
Man said jump off front pop, ching him.
And that's another metaphor you missed earlier.
Check. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Set up different. We have somebody here with me. Him flying for come check me, for come see what I go on. And you don't know, him have to up on the platform. Yeah. So big him up. So today, we are reacting.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
DJ, what reacting?
Something alright.
Ambush. I'm 135.
Yeah.
Plugged in.
So
Fumez in here.
So him a go break down the words them. What your name? The people don't get your name, bro.
Yeah. So boy DJ Platinum, straight flying from UK.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are shutdown specialists, cash culture, clothing, all of that.
Alright, yeah. So him a go help me break down some of the things that when me I miss. So we are breakdown. We are pausing every 10 seconds. We are not reacting, we are pausing every 10 seconds. So if you like it, please leave a like on the video. Alright, so without further delay, I could just jump straight tonight here, bro.
Alright.
Skill.
Yo. AMB.
One
Tree.
Mubs got beats.
Free.
So I just subbed to this channel not long ago because of 𝗥𝗘𝗔𝗖𝗧𝗜𝗢𝗡. 𝗥𝗘𝗔𝗧 sent me to this channel, right? This guy here is the engineer, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. Are you may ask in another them? Are you may ask?
Yeah.
You may ask. Okay.
He's hard still.
In bad?
Bad.
Yeah? Alright, make it deep.
You know the thing 𝗥𝗘𝗔𝗖𝗧𝗜𝗢𝗡.
What was they thinking? And they must have been yacked. 6 teeth in a spin ting.
Hold on, what is yachts? No, I have to ask him, but I know.
Pull up again.
Alright, what is yachts?
So you know the thing 𝗥𝗘𝗔𝗖𝗧𝗜𝗢𝗡.
What was they thinking? And they must have been yacked. 6 teeth in a spin ting.
They must have been yacked, they must have been drunk.
Must be drunk. So
Wait.
Okay. So we have been drunk. Drunk. Yachts. Okay.
Yeah.
See, this is why you're here to help me out. Yeah.
Yeah, they must have been yacked, waved, drunk.
Yeah.
Just moving my buzzing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. Makes sense.
And a dot looking like yachts. And his chat phone don't stop ringing. How when man's on man push to the max. And then boy there look at the bringing. I tell him catch that chain with his pack.
You get that? You look at that. This is why I don't like drill. Me not like drill. This is why.
Man push to the max. And then boy there look at the bringing. I tell him catch that chain with his pack. Free Liz, diligent man. Remember when he flew round there in his jacks?
Yeah, laugh, so you get something? What about buckle I'm starting my laugh, so?
Bro, shit.
Jesus Christ.
Sorry.
Brother, just listen and try break down. I break down. It's not easy, no dog.
It's not easy.
When I see me doing it, I'm pausing every 10 seconds to break down. It's not easy, guys. It's not easy.
For real.
So when the next person come in, we're not used to it. Then we're gonna find it hard.
Especially when it's the first time.
Yeah.
You hear the song. I haven't even previewed the song.
Yeah.
First song, first ears.
First time you hear it.
Yeah.
You see it?
But that thing marinate on your ear, them and
Yeah. Alright, make it go again.
Must have felt like Homer chasing them donuts, all of them dashed. I'm on an M-way speeding, bros moaning, slow down, G, you're gonna get flashed.
So him say it must have felt like Omar chasing those donuts. You know, said Omar like donuts.
Yeah. He's on that M1.
The M1 that take it up north, right?
Yeah.
So it means on the M1 that chase the ups them.
Yeah. See, we're there. We're getting.
Alright.
I'm meant to be the UK. I'm meant to be the English one. I lie.
Yeah. You can't get them, brother. Alright, make it go again.
I can't get no points on my license. Look, bro, that's a mad thing, sad. Had to ask myself, are they with it? Said a man pulled up looking for me. Where the fuck you ain't dip him?
Where the fuck you ain't dip him? So dip him means stab him?
Yeah.
So the fuck you ain't dip him? So, okay.
So you're lucky, man, they dip him. So
yeah,
they're lucky that they didn't get shanked by him.
Okay. So you're lucky there. The bed where you sleep on last night, the same side sleep back on it again today. Sleep back on it again. You're lucky, yo.
Said that he backed his thing, there's a war outside. Why the fuck you slipping? Furthermore, when I butt my man, he backed his ram, still had man dipping.
So ram mean knife again?
Yeah.
So them have jagged edge, them have ram, them have what? Flicky, them have shank. How much name wanna get? Just take off the K off of the knife and call it N-I-F-E knife. Cause the K no make no sense. The K no make no sense. Allow me to tell?
Oh no! It's silent.
The K no make no sense, brother.
Makes sense. No.
So better we take off the K off and just lower them words because I can't understand too much word. Too much big words, dog. Too much big words. Let's go.
Bro, still in that kitchen. Whipping cakes, calling Mr. Kipling. And my next don just got back 2 brizzies. Now he's back in the system.
What's that?
Alright. He just got back, so he just went to jail. So yeah.
Okay, so bag me in jail. Bag me in prison. Okay.
Yeah, when you get caught by police. When you got caught by boy then.
Yeah.
Means you got bagged in it.
Whipping cakes, calling Mr. Kipling. And my next don just got back 2 brizzies. Now he's back in the system.
Okay, so back in the prison system.
Yeah, back in the
Okay.
system.
So this is ambush and 135.
Yeah.
So which one of them is ambush? One of the mask?
No. That's 135. Ambush is the one with the hood.
No, the kid never done.
Hey, why for the hood? Jamaican say, oh, this is me.
Hashtag.
Pull over.
Why?
Pull over. Yeah. You know, no hood around here. Alright, let's go.
My young boys say they need more than corners. Bring 2 bucks like Liston. And this bad B won't be a video vixen. Pleasure and business.
Some know what a video vixen is. The sexy girl that come in the video.
Yeah.
Some of them, sometimes them not look video appropriate.
Nah.
Allow me to tell? If allow me to tell, then allow me to tell.
Gospel.
Alright. No cap. Only, what them call this? Beanie, yeah. Eat man. Alright, let me go.
Look, babe, ain't with it. Why? Cause I saw what happened to me. You see, clout is a crazy drug. Had a mad one capping on me.
When I say clout is a crazy drug?
Yeah, clout is a crazy job. When you're clout chasing, it's a mad addiction for some people, isn't it?
Okay.
So clout chasing. Like
Yeah, because some people can't do without it. Some people just keep on.
chasing the dragon.
Yeah.
See metaphor. Man.
Yeah. Yeah, Alright, let's go.
Yeah, this industry girl, I'm mad. Yeah, they're madder than me. Still, I got a bad one with back. And she back it for me.
So, it must say, basically, right so now, it must describe the girl where him get.
Yeah.
She have back, but
Yeah.
it big.
Yeah.
Slap up that, you see it. Bakam. Yeah, when you slap it, jiggle.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying. Get.
You know what I want the dog when they stop? Jiggle. Yeah. It's having jiggle right there. It's having jiggle. If it not jiggling, it make no sense.
Nah,
If it not jiggling, it make no sense.
it don't count.
Me no want to get it look like iron board. No, them straight. No, brother. No.
The TikTok leggings them.
Me no want to get it look like Bedfoot. No, brother. No, get a fit of curve. Let's go.
4 things in the back of the Jeep. But I must have been jacked. Cause I don't know how we got back. But bro, why did you cap?
So basically, him come at this again and say, yo, 4 things in the back of the Jeep.
Yeah.
So, 4 strap or 4 girl. Which one am I talk? 4 girl or 4 strap?
I think he's talking about gals though.
Okay, because me I
It
say,
might be a flip metaphor. Like it might be like double entendre.
yeah.
Yeah, or maybe I'm overthinking it. Go back. Let's listen.
Got a bad one with back. And she back it for me. 4 things in the back of the Jeep. But I must have been jacked.
I think you mean girl lesser.
Yeah.
So 4 girl on the back of the Jeep.
Yeah.
But him say 4 thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, 4 girl on the back of the Jeep.
Yeah.
Yeah, because him just come off of the girl line with the back. Then so he jump straight into that one.
Yeah.
Alright.
I don't know how we got back. But bro, why did you cap? Car, you already lost your license. Better not catch you driving.
Oh yeah, tell for the youth, sir. You know if you do him, sir. Him lose him license. Yes, him lose him license. You know if you tell the whole world, brother.
Yeah, he even said in the other bar, 135 even said in the other bar, we can't get no more points on his license.
Him can't get no more bar.
And Bush beat him up again.
Oh, to them
Bro,
youth,
why
man.
did you cap? Why did you lie?
Yeah, Jaja.
that's
So you have points for your license. Behave yourself. Don't get caught capping. Don't get caught driving without a license. Kids, don't have a license unless you're 18 or over. Let's go.
Bro, why did you cap? Car, you already lost your license. Better not catch you driving. Cause you might catch crashes off me.
Might catch what off him? Him just say, you might cut something off me.
Oh, you already lost your license. Better not catch you driving, cause you might catch lashes off me.
What him say?
Mike Cash.
What him say?
Mike, cause this, I swear he said Mike Cash lashes off me. So Mike lashes.
So I beat him up. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh, he's a savage, you know. Ambush is a savage for real.
Yeah.
Hashtag buzzword, yeah, he's a savage.
So I'm still?
Yeah, mad.
Alright.
Car, you already lost your license. Better not catch you driving, cause you might catch lashes off me. And my YG crashing for me.
Yeah, my brother is in bridging though.
Yeah.
Because it sound like him attack to him bridging, or it sound like him attack in general. I don't know.
Yeah.
You get me? I don't know where I do this. So.
And my OG crashing for me. I made 1G crash it for me. Cause everything he said was facts. Like when he smoked man in the can.
When they smoke man in the can, I know say can at the prison cell.
Yeah.
So when they smoke man in the can, so him dope him man in the can, alright?
Yeah, massive.
Yeah. So, me I get some of the jury words them.
Yeah, get in there.
Only can me know a bully beef, corned beef, and baked bean. And then them can they alone me know still. You don't know.
Yeah.
Alright.
I try to take package off. Now you try to take package off Rams, but that's like trying to take package off me. You know that?
Man try to take package of Rams. Rams the next you thing link them thing from barking.
From barking, 7 a.m. in the morning. Yeah.
So him and Rams are bridging then. It looks so because him not this him still. Him not this him.
Yeah, that wasn't a diss.
Okay.
I don't think it was a slide, so but with ambush you never know.
Yeah. Alright, we could go on.
That's my gang, my family. Better think fast before challenging we.
Oh, him just said that's my gang, my family.
Yeah,
So I'm bridging.
Yeah. There you go.
I'm bridging. Alright.
Better think twice before challenging us. No more school at the back of the bus. No, we went crazy when Killer got rushed.
Who is Killer? What? Probably one of the next bridging them.
Well, yeah. Must
When Killer get rushed. Yeah.
Niggas got blocked, niggas got busted, niggas got beast. Something like mobs did. No, you're not gang. No, you're not trusted. See the state at the end's disgusting.
This is the thing now. If the man them not trust you, that is a big red flag. Stay out of the ends. The man them will do anything to set you up or fuck you up. Simple.
Yeah.
Stay out of the ends. If you not if the man them not trust you for whatever reason, either you take them food and I go around them now and pay them back. Either you have too much pillow talk with a baby mother and it reach back to free baby mother. man, you understand?
Yeah. Can't do anything there.
Me and you are bridging now and you go home. Alright. Me and you go up on the road.
Yeah.
And we do fuckery. Yeah. And you go home to your woman now. And I tell your woman things that me do. Your woman and my woman are friend.
Yeah.
So it's easy to get back.
Yeah.
Yeah, so,
Chinese whispers.
Yeah. Yeah, Jamaican whisper this. Yeah, talk.
Yeah.
Clip to the brim, man, fill it. The man don't bang, they frigid. Spot that, spin that.
Me get that part there.
Yeah.
Them man in the back, them frigid. Them not do nothing. Them frigid.
Yeah. Them scared.
Yeah. Them not do nothing. Them scared. Them afraid. Several cats, pussies.
Drill it, scary sight, that's man then spinning. Man can't tell me about crime, man, riz it. OT spots or ends, man, bill it. Who's that up, that crop, that billet?
Who's that up, that crop, that billet? You get that?
Yeah. Ops, innit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who's that up, that crop?
Cop that.
Oh, cop that. You get that? Go feet.
Cop that, yeah.
Yeah, go feet. I'm. Okay. Alright, me learn.
Do it for Bruce, not Wayne or Willis. Do it for Lizzie or H, not Philip. Do it on pedals, back break and skid it. Jump off, trip him, ching him.
Yo, he might go hard, brother. Him got a one different gear.
I told you, bro, it's sick.
Man said jump off, front pops, and ching him.
And that's another metaphor you missed earlier. So you said all the shank similes you missed out. Yeah. Choose the next one. And chef
him.
Like Gordon Ramsay.
The only chef me know the one in the kitchen. Me a chef.
Yeah.
No, really, but me can cook.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright.
Kick him, ching him, victim.
Bumba, hear that? Kick him. Say him, shing him, kick him.
Kick him, ching him, victim.
Victim, him dead.
Yeah, done.
Pronounce. Doctor, pronounce, yo. Nothing no left for you to do.
Man.
Bumba class.
Jump back on my back, my adrenaline kicking. Taste blood in my mouth like shit then.
Hold on. So him do all of that on him bike? What? Bicycle or motorbike?
Yeah, what's this push bike? That push bike, fam.
The man said.
my push
The man said him jump off, kick him, shing him, and him a victim. All up on your push bike, brother. And you jump on back on your push bike.
Yeah. Taste blood in my
Taste blood in my mouth.
Say shit then.
My adrenaline kicking. Taste blood in my mouth like shit then. Shit then. You know the thing.
That brother, yeah, man. Yo, I want the pussy clot. Yo, no man, let me hear that.
Taste blood in my mouth like shit then. Shit then.
What are you see him do a while ago? Him head lick up on the mic, you know. Come on, go. Look, watch.
Taste blood in my mouth like shit then. Shit then. You know the thing. Real life. In your face. No.
Yeah, but my boy like, but still, him know the song bad. So that's why him, yo.
A cartoon character thing, you know the thing. Buzz right like I'm a murder them. If you never heard of them, search for them. Pussy. Fumez the engineer, you know what's going on. The real is real, you get it?
You hear them lyrics when I got that? Murder them, front of them.
That's it.
Yo.
Fumez the engineer.
So guys, this is my first time having a guest on the show. Let me know if you want to see more guests. If you want to see more guests, I can arrange to get some more guests on the show. And just react for now, guys. Platinum, respect for passing through me, G.
Thank you. Have to fly in.
I hope you enjoy your holiday.
Yeah.
You see me? Get some big body girl and take a joke.
I'm married.
Yeah, me know, a joke. Wifey, a joke. I are kidding. Alright. So guys, if you enjoy that one there, I want to see more. Please leave a like on the video. Please comment down below and let me know. And big up on yourself. Subscribe if you're new as well. You hear that? Yeah. So, see you in the next one. You hear that? Peace out.